9 Best Cheap Scotches brought to you by Advanced Mixology. Sipping was once elevated to a much higher price tag, but distilleries have realized that they need to put forward affordable entry-level scotches. Let's take a look at the best cheap scotches. The Balvenie 12-year-old Doublewit is the best single malt whiskey. The vanilla and cinnamon spice that come through are so indicative of Balvenie. The best Highlands Scotch is Glenmorangie Original 10-year-old single malt. Light and easy with some character and nothing harsh to it, this Scotch goes down nicely with vanilla, caramel, butterscotch and citrus notes. Ardbeg 10-year-old single malt is the best cheap Islay Scotch. It is a great example of Islay Scotch. As soon as you get it near your nose, you will get the menthol notes of the peat and the brine of the ocean. The best Speyside Scotch is Glenfiddich 12-year-old single malt. This Scotch smells fresh and fruity with orchard fruits, apple and Asian pear, and a touch of oak. If you are looking for smoky Scotch, then you can choose Laphroaig 10-year-old Islay single malt. The peat, vanilla, oak notes to the fruity backbone and the prominent smoky smell which is not overpowering that makes the Scotch taste so good. Bowmore 12-year-old single malt is the best for cocktails. It has the right amount of smoke, with sweetness and layering, so whatever other flavors you're pairing it with, it will be enough to bounce off. Dewar's 12-year-old blended is the best blended Scotch. A blend of single malt and grain whiskies, this whiskey is aged in both oak and sherry barrels, providing rich nuances of honey and vanilla. The best cheap Scotch for sipping is Glenfarclas 10-year-old single malt. A wonderful aperitif, it offers plenty of dried fruit flavors from the sherry casks, along with cake spices, vanilla and a pear-like sweetness. Overall, Johnnie Walker Black Label 12-year-old is the best cheap Scotch. This Scotch is created using nearly 40 single malt and grain whiskies sourced from all over Scotland, each aged for at least 12 years. Learn more about cocktails and liquors at our website, advancedmixology.com.